All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Discussion video is all this is because we have so many devices upcoming that we're going to start to have to enjoy them at some point or another. So this video is about the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'm probably going to mess that up a bunch of times. So I want to start by saying I want to talk about the Pixel 9 Pro. Now, over the years, man, I've always said, Google, please bring a small Pro version. Please bring a small Pro version. And then finally, we have one with no compromise. And so the first of the new lineup that I ordered was the Pixel 9 Pro and a 512 gig. And I only got a 512 gig because they only offer the 1 terabyte in the Obsidian. I don't know why they do that, but I don't know. That's just what it is. So I ordered the Pixel 9 Pro 512 gig but while the event was going on. I didn't even wait. I ordered it while the event, when the event had just started, I ordered that device. Now, the strange part is, after sitting idle for a little bit, they canceled my order. I didn't realize it. I didn't get any email confirmations. I didn't even get an email confirmation that I bought the device. I could just see that it was, came off and I paid for it. But then I think maybe about 4 days went by or something like that. Maybe 4 days. And I went back in. I was like, I hadn't gotten any confirmations or anything. And it said order was canceled. And I was like, I have no idea why. Hit them up and they say, well, something was wrong with your payment. I was like, oh man, seriously? And then, I got refunded or whatever. And I was like, it definitely was something, the servers were definitely probably overloaded or something like that. And so mine was one of the orders that got kicked back, unfortunately. So I had to go back in and reorder. And now no longer is my delivery date August 22nd. It is October, like 19th or something. It's a little frustrating and they can't do anything, but it's fine. I know that I will order more than, just that device from them. Because I didn't get any devices this year from Team Pixel, which is fine. So I ordered the Pixel 9 Pro. They probably would have sent out the Pixel 9 Pro XLs anyway. They typically don't send the smaller devices, but I don't know. But nonetheless, I did order the Pixel 9 Pro and a 512 gig Hazel. And now my date is like October something, like almost the end of October. And I'm really hoping that it comes before then, obviously. So, but fast forward to moments later, I decided I'm going to go ahead and order the Pixel 9 Pro XL as well, because I do have a Pixel 8 Pro, and that's going to be a direct comparison. I'll be able to compare the 8 Pro to the 9 Pro. And they're calling it the XL just because they have a smaller version. So I'll be able to compare those side by side, hardware-wise. Software, cameras maybe a little better, I don't know. But I'm hoping video is much better. I'll compare those for my 8 Pro to my 9 Pro XL. So I do have that. That is set to deliver in 2 days. It is August 20th of the recording this video. So, be mindful of that while you're watching this content, the dates, because we're only 2 days away from my pickup for my 9 Pro XL and a 256 gig. And I got that one in porcelain. Now, the 9, I'm still on the fence about that, whether I should get that one or not. I'm thinking, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking maybe I'll grab the 9 because it is the same size as the 9 Pro. All the cases that you see for the 9 Pro are actually the same for the 9. They're the same dimensions. So I'm thinking maybe I'll go ahead and just get the entire lineup and just get the 9. I bought mine. All of my Pixels came from the Best Buy because they had the best deals. Like, I didn't want store credits. I would rather have a Best Buy gift card because that's money I can spend on something completely different than a Pixel. So I opted to get everything from Best Buy. So if you're counting, that's $400 in gift cards from Best Buy so far from buying the 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL. Now, if you buy the 9, you only get $100 gift card. And if I didn't say it, I apologize. This video is being sponsored by my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the 7:6 ratio. So if you have a folding device, you might want to go ahead and open up if you haven't already done so, because you're going to really enjoy how this video looks. So last device, I was talking in my private group and I was like, man, I really want the Pixel Fold, but I don't want to sell this device. I think it's just a messed up how this device, they're saying they only want it back for $760. And then Best Buy is only offering $60. So, you do get a $350 store credit with Google if you get it from them. But I just feel like Best Buy has the best offering, no pun intended, because they're giving you a $350 gift card. So if you tally that up, that's $750 I can spend at Best Buy on anything. So that is the route I took. I finally pulled the trigger on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and got a $350 gift card back for that. So I have a stack of gift cards here, and I'm going to buy myself something. But I really wanted to trade in this device, but then a lot of me said keep it, just like I got the original OG Surface Duo. Didn't move to the 2. I just didn't like the 2. Now, my gripes about the current Fold that's outcoming here in a little bit. In September is when that device, I think, officially releases to the public. So I think that officially releases to the public in September on the 4th. So that is actually my delivery date, September 4th. So I'm hoping that I can get some hands-on time in a staggered formation from these devices that I'm buying. So first incoming will be my Pixel 9 Pro XL, which I pick it up in a couple of days. The Pro is not until like the end of October. I was like, I'm never going to see that device, so I'm just going to let it go. But my Pixel Fold 9 Pro arrives at the beginning of September. So that's going to be pretty exciting to get my hands on it. Now, the Fold is going to take the new Fold is going to take a different approach. It's going to have different hardware. I've said that this device right here, it's more of it feels chunky and heavy. It just feels clunky when compared to other foldables. But this is a great aspect ratio, and this is a beautiful looking device. And a lot of you guys still have this device, and you're enjoying it. And I enjoy it too. It just wasn't my favorite foldable for 2023, 2024. Once OnePlus brought out the Open, it shut all foldables down. Now, I will give credit to Samsung, again, the device I'm recording with. The Samsung Z Fold 6 is actually a pretty good device. It may not measure up to the OnePlus Open in a lot of ways, in my humble opinion, but still, it is phenomenal. It's a phenomenal device, and I can recommend it, especially if you're coming from any of the other folding phones from Samsung. So, nonetheless, the Pixel Fold has a new camera module. Now, if you remember in my previous videos on the Pixel Fold, the camera module is what I dislike the most. It's just one of the ugliest looking camera modules, and I feel like they could have done better. Man, that coffee's good. So I'm glad that they changed the module. I don't know how I'm going to like it in comparison to, what we have, now. But I do like the Pixel 9 Pro lineup and the 9. I like the way they, bumpy cam. I need to patent that a long time ago. The way they rounded it off. So nonetheless, quick discussion video. I think the Pixel Fold, the new Pixel Fold and the Pixel 9 Pro are just going to be top sellers, hands down. And I have 3 of them right now, 3 of the lineup. I'm still debating on the 9, like I said, but I'm ready for them to bring it. I'm really hoping that the Fold really comes through. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed discussion. Pixel 9 lineup. Did you grab several of them like I did? Let's talk.